Alright, we've got a 2004 Volkswagen Jetta TDI here, and we're going to be changing out the fuel filters. Pretty simple in the MK4s. There's a Phillips head bolt right there. You got a couple fuel lines right here, and two on this back side. This one right here, this side, you don't have to actually really take apart. You just kind of pull the pin out, and then you're just going to kind of wiggle it up a little bit. Very carefully, it is plastic, so try to do it when it's not cold out. Get that out of the way. This one right here, I always just kind of remove out of here. It's got a spring clamp on it. Slide it back. Someone has definitely changed it out before because there's a different clamp on there. So we'll go ahead and get that out of there. Pretty simple and easy to do. You can do it right there in your driveway. One of the things I noticed was just getting on the interstate, just starting it even, and just kind of getting going. It was very, very sluggish. I mean, the TDI is already sluggish as it is. So you know what? Let's go ahead and put a new filter on it. Let's get that done. Let's get this up out of the way. And get this guy out right here. So now we just have the Phillips head right here. Let's go loosen this guy up. Now you can get these on Amazon for about 15 bucks. You can get a Wix, a Baldwin. I think Baldwin makes them for them. We actually have a little Audi version right here. So I'm going to go ahead and stick it back in. Let's go and get this guy just set right here for right now, so it can't fall over. All we're going to do, there's a cap in there and a couple of caps right here. We're going to remove these caps. Pick in here, pull this bottom one out. Alright. What we're going to do is just simply put this back up, slide it back in carefully. Make sure you get it right where she's got to be. Put this guy on, and let's go ahead and tighten up the Phillips head. She's about where she's got to be. Alright, we'll slide this hose clamp back forward. We'll just go ahead and get that done real quick. Tighten it up. You want to go ahead and inspect your hoses too, make sure there's no cracks and that they're flexible and not hard and brittle. Alright, this guy just kind of gently wiggle down, and that's about where she's got to be. Alright, and then we're going to bring this guy around right here, slide it in. Get the spring clamp on it. Make sure that's all the way down the back. Alright. And when you put your clamp in like that, it should all line up, clip right into the same spots. That's how you know it's all the way down. So at that point, I'm going to put this hose back right where it is, and the little keeper. Get this guy out of the way. So go ahead and cycle your key a few times, run a little bit of fuel through it, and you're good to go. It's just that simple, changing out your fuel filter. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll catch you on the next one.